My beloved child, I am the one and only God who created the world, gives life, and bestows all benefits. I will perform a financial miracle for you and your family. Within the next 48 hours, you will get $10,000 in your bank account from unknown sources. You will get a large quantity of money that will make you wealthy, and you will have enough money to pay all of your expenses. Purchase your dream house and live the lifestyle you have always desired. Please like this video. If you believe in God, type 111. The money is coming. The new home is coming. The breakthrough is coming. Good health is coming. Financial freedom is coming. Love is coming. God is saying to you today, you are entering a new season where everything will start to go your way. It is time you had enough lessons. You did the work. You overcame so much. You believed in me, even when it was hard to. You never gave up. You pushed and prayed through it all. Now it is your time to receive my favor and my blessings in a major way. Your life is about to take a positive turn. Watch this video till the end. If you believe God, type Jesus in comments section. If you need blessings, God is saying to you today, rest. I am already at work. I will turn around every negative situation in your life. I will bless you and your family. I will heal every place you are hurting. I am going to bless you beyond belief. I am going to turn your lack into plenty, your test into a testimony, in your confusion into clarity. You are going to make it. God is saying to you today, I am about to promote you. I am about to give you an opportunity you've never had. I am opening doors for you. I am going to take you from the bottom to the top. Whatever has been stolen from you is coming back home. Your days of being without her over anything that is her harassing you or hindering your life is being removed. I have dealt with all of your needs now. I am dealing with your wants, type 1111. To affirms this, God is removing toxicity from your life. Love is coming your way. Healing is coming your way. You are going to be happier than you've ever been. The next doors opening up will put you in a position where you will never have to borrow, beg, or struggle for anything. You are on the verge of your breakthrough and your greatest comeback. Every voice that speaks against you and your destiny will be silenced. God is saying to you today, you are a survivor. And most people don't know what you've gone through. Very few know. But I continue to pick you up every time you fall. I have never failed you yet, and I will not fail you. Now you don't even look like what you've been through. And the good news is, I'm not through with you yet. I'm about to bless you so much. It will blow the minds of those who wrote you off before God sends you into your next season. He will prepare you. He will remove. And He will also add, whether it's people, things, old habits, etc. Don't expect to move forward without having to leave some things behind. Everything can't go with you. God is saying to you today, I will never send you into a situation alone. I go before you, I stand beside you, I walk behind you. Whatever situation you are facing right now, be confident that I am with you. Every negative thing that has made you cry over the years will fade away and be replaced with happiness, laughter, love, and blessings. Type 999 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, you are going to be promoted to the next level of your life, the next level in your career, the next level in your finances, and the next level in your relationships. I am doing something new in your life. It's time for you to forget the past, forget the mistakes, and focus on what I am doing in your life today. God is saying to you today, I know you have a lot on your mind right now. Your family, your health, the health of a loved one, your finances, and your career. It feels like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. You feel alone, and it's hard getting up in the morning. My child, you are not alone. Lay those concerns at my feet. Give it all to me. I will send you help, healing, and resources I will provide. I will make a way for you. All the resources of heaven are with you. Don't worry. I have your back. Everything happens for a reason. That reason causes change. Sometimes it hurts, sometimes it's hard, but in the end it's all for the best. Never stop trusting God and believing in His plan. God said in Isaiah 60 verse 22, "When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen." When God put the promise in your heart, when He gave you that dream, He determined the right time to bring it to pass. He's already scheduled your healing, your breakthrough, and your promotion. There are right time moments in your future where things will fall into place. The right people will show up, and the opportunity will find you. What you're believing for me may not have happened yet, but when you understand that God has a right time, that it's already been scheduled by the Creator of the universe, you won't live worried or frustrated. Type 555 to affirms this. God is saying to you, today, I know a lot of things aren't going well in your life right now. There seems to be nobody there to help you hold on. I'm about to fulfill my promises to you. Hold tight to me, and I will take you where you need to go. I will take you further than you could ever imagine. I did not bring you this far to fail you. Now, it may be rough, but I still have a plan. Instead of your shame, you will receive a double portion, and instead of disgrace, you will rejoice in your inheritance, and so you will inherit a double portion in your land, and everlasting joy will be yours. Isaiah 61:7. You told God that you needed a sign, and He made sure this video came across your screen. Psalm 46:10 says, "Be still, and know that I am God," is saying to you today. Don't stress over things that are out of your control. People will be people, jobs will be jobs. But one thing is for sure, I am God. Let me handle it. Keep doing the right thing. Don't take matters into your own hand. God is your defender. The enemies you see today, you will see no more. What was meant for your harm will be turned to your advantage. Type 999 to affirms this. God's plan. He wants you to keep crying, so He can keep you from seeing what's coming. Here's a word I have for you today. Stop crying. It's coming. Go. God made you a promise in Isaiah 41:10. He says, "So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand for everything that's left you." God is saying, I'm with you. Do not be dismayed when you're crying. He's coming. The people that are trying to hold you down and stir up trouble, stay in peace. It's going to backfire. The psalmist said, "The trap, the enemy set for you, they will fall in themselves." God is working in ways that you cannot see. It may look like opposition. The truth is, it's the hand of God. Set you up for promotion. The enemy wouldn't be fighting you if you weren't a threat. He wouldn't be trying to stop you if you weren't on the verge of something amazing. He knows you're about to step into a new level. He knows you're about to take new ground for your family. You're about to come into your promised land. You're about to see something you've never seen. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. Psalms 121:7, type 777, to affirms this. The enemy knows that you're closer than ever. He sees your angels' activities and the favor of God all over you. He's trying to take you out and exhaust you because you're moments away from your promised place. I know it hurts and I know it's tiring, child, but please take a step back and realize that the enemy is attacking you for a reason. Why has the heat been turned up? Because the enemy is trying to stop this huge move of God, but he can't. Your best days are ahead of you. Couldn't even fathom the unspeakable joy that is coming. Leave behind the baggage. Do away with the years of pain, anguish, and broken promises, or you'll miss the beauty that awaits to reveal itself to you. There is greater ahead. Joy is coming. The love you desire is coming. Financial breakthrough is coming. Your new is coming. Now do away with the old and receive your new. God is saying a new door is coming. Some of you are sitting at a closed door that hurt you. It left you drained and hopeless. But God wants you to know that there is another door. He's about to open a brand new door to a place you never thought was possible, to a place full of joy and happiness. Don't give up while sitting at the closed door. Another one is coming, and it'll bear much fruit. Child of God, that vision was correct. The promise was true. You're not crazy. Do you see the warfare around you? It's proof of the promise. It's indication that you're headed in the right direction. Keep believing, child. Keep the hope alive, beloved. Supernatural doors will soon be open to you, from unexpected places and unexpected people. God heard your prayer last night. He felt the anxiety, the anguish, the confusion, and the pain. He's seen the tears you shed for your parents, your children, your friends, your situation. God is saying to you today, for every teardrop, for every sleepless night, I have a blessing for you. You're coming out of this. I have sent a regiment of angels to clear the path for you. The pain you're feeling is coming to an end, and my divine favor is coming your way. Remember, my child, weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. Psalm 35. God's not done with you yet. Your latter days shall be better than your former. Where you are now is only the beginning. God is about to launch you into the next dimension. Don't let your present circumstances discourage you, because where you start will not be. Where you finish the greatness that you've experienced on this level is only a small glimpse into the greatness to come. Get ready for your latter days. Keep moving forward. It will only get better. And though you started with little, you will end with much. Job 8.7. God is saying to you today, people may not recognize you yet. Your boss doesn't give you credit. Relatives discount you and think you don't have much to offer. You may be overlooked now, but the time is coming when you're going to be noticed. People are going to recognize your value, your gifts, your talents. I'm going to cause you to stand out. You're going to go from being unnoticed to being in charge, from being not recognized to being the favorite. God is saying to you today, I am going to take you from obscurity to notoriety. You've worked hard. You've been faithful. You've honored me. Now get ready. The curtain is about to come up. I am about to show people who you really are. You are coming into a new level of prominence, a new level of influence, and a new level of income. I'm going to endorse you. People are going to see the greatness I put in you. God is saying to you today, I know what you're going through right now, and it will be over soon. I know you've been in the fire, but I am using the fire to burn off the rough edges. I want you to trust the process. I am doing a great work in you. When you come out of this, you will be stronger, brighter, and better off than you were before. You're going to be in a new place. You're going to be prepared for the calling and dream I have placed in you. God is saying to you today, I am going to take every bit of anxiety, fear, stress, and pain away from you and fill you with my peace, love, healing, and blessings. Pray with me, dear God. Thank you for all your blessings and gifts to us. We thank you for the precious gift of family and friends, for all those who are here with us today and those who are far away. Thank you for your abundance and grace, for being with us every single day. We thank you for showing us glimpses of heavenly beauty through the eyes of our loved ones, through nature, songs of praise, and even the warm sunlight. We are grateful for the roof over heads and a warm place to sleep every night. Thank you for blessing us with all of the food on our table. Today we thank you for all those you have brought into our lives to lead us, to guide us, and to protect us. Thank you for parents, teachers, counselors, and mentors. Bless each of them in a special way today, Lord. Amen.